We work hard to enjoy what we have in life. The recent times have shown us that we can't predict what life has in store for us. That's why it is so important to protect ourselves and our loved ones with a term plan, so that we can stop worrying and focus on living life to the fullest. Recently, a survey conducted by Max Life and Kantar, India Protection Quotient, has revealed that COVID-19 has triggered the purchase of term insurance plans across the country. Another report suggests that the need for protection is maximum amongst younger age groups. The term insurance plan can protect us and our families from all the hardships in life brought upon by death, disability and disease. But just a term insurance plan is not enough. As per the Swiss Re report, a customer considers mainly 3 points while purchasing a term insurance: sum assured, return of premium, and claims paid ratio. Max Life Insurance successfully fulfills all the 3 given criteria of consideration, with a promise to protect our loved ones from the eventualities in life. But to ensure a complete protection, an adequate sum assured is needed. This is what makes Max Life Smart Term Plan the right choice. It offers 7 death benefit options to cater to different needs. Max Life Smart Term Plan is also smart when it comes to protecting our financial future with return of premium. Return of premium or TROP option ensures that 100% of the total annualized premiums are paid back on maturity in case of survival. Also, there are savings on GST up to 30% of the total premiums paid, which makes it a win-win in both the scenarios. TROP, the return of premium, when clubbed with a limited pay option, becomes even a stronger offering versus a regular pay, which makes it extremely beneficial for both the customer as well as the seller. With limited pay TROP, the return of premium, the customer can get over his premium liabilities faster and enjoy the benefits of TROP. That is, lesser outflow on GST along with return of all premiums at the end of the term. Alternatively, the seller gets a strong proposition with higher WPC up to 200%, while his WFYP increases by 7 times. A majority of insurance companies in India do not offer TROP option, but at Max Life Insurance, we offer TROP till 50 years of policy term, which is typically available for a maximum policy term of 40 years in the market. So leverage the power of these 3 essential features while purchasing a term plan: sum assured, return of premium, and claims paid ratio. At Max Life, we are constantly evolving to secure our customers and their families' happiness. That's why we are one of the most trusted insurance companies in India with a claims paid ratio of 99.22%. So, encourage your customers to know their real value and reach out to them with a promise to make a difference in their lives, so that you can proudly say, "I am the difference."